Let's start our class. Today we are going to see shapes in math. Okay? Okay. Do you know what are the shapes? Do you know? Yes. We know square, rectangle, triangle, and etc. Now we see the shapes property. Okay? First you remind 2D shape and 3D shape. What is 2D shape and 3D shape? What is two-dimensional and three-dimensional? Two-dimensional is a flat surface. Three-dimensional is a length, breadth and width. It has length, breadth, width. And we also say three-dimensional shapes have space. Okay? Okay. 2D shape means flat surface. 3D shapes means length, breadth, width. Okay. First we remind and recall what is quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral, all closed four-side figures are called quadrilateral. All closed four-side figures are called quadrilateral. Side. What is side? Side is here. I take this space. I take this duster. This part is called side. Okay? And then now we see in quadrilateral four sides. 1, AB, BC, CD and AB. This is four sides. Corners means A, B, C, D. Four corners and diagonals. Opposite points are joined. Line is called diagonals. A and C, B and D. Okay? AC is a diagonal. BD is a diagonal. This is side. AB is a side. That quadrilateral has four sides, four corners and two diagonals. In quadrilateral, from quadrilateral we get square, rectangle and etc. Okay. From quadrilateral we get parallelogram. In parallelogram we get rectangle and rhombus. In rhombus and rectangle we get square. Now we see the properties of square. Square properties. Four sides, all sides are equal. Four corners are also called vertices. Two diagonals are equal. What are the sides? Four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And diagonals. Corners. We give name A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a corner. A, B, B, C, C, D and A, D is a side. A, C and B, D is a diagonal. Give one example for square. Carom board. Now you see the rectangle. Rectangle's property is rectangle has four sides. Opposite sides are equal. What is opposite side? Opposite. This side and this side is called the opposite side. Opposite sides are equal. Four corners, two diagonals. Two diagonals are equal. Example for rectangle: blackboard, mat, book, box. Okay. Now we see the triangle. Triangle has how many sides? What are the sides in triangle? AB, BC, CA. So triangle has three sides and three corners. What are the corners? A, B, C. Give example for triangle. Symbols of roadway and samosa. We like to eat samosa. So samosa is like a triangle shape. Now we see the circle and then property. Circle has no sides, no corners and circle has only one center point in one circle. Okay, and circle is a closed curve. Okay, we know coins, bangles are example for circle. Now we see the pentagon. Can you give one example for pentagon? Yes. House. Roof of the house is like a pentagon shape. Pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides, 5 corners. Postcard is also example of pentagon. Rhombus. Rhombus has 4 sides. 4 sides are equal. 4 vertices, 2 diagonals. Diagonals are not equal in length. Okay. Example for kite. Parallelogram. 4 sides, 4 vertices, Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Example for ink eraser. What is parallel? Parallel lines. It's like a railway track. No joining point of two lines. That line is called parallel line. This line. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay. What are the shapes did you saw in our class today class? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, pentagon, rhombus, parallelogram. I show the shape. You tell the property. Recall the subject. What is the shape? Square. Square has 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Example, carom board. And another shape, rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, opposite sides are equal, 2 diagonals. Example for box. What is this shape? This is a duster. It's like a rectangle shape. This is a color box. This is like the shape of rectangle. We have to see many examples for rectangle. Let's see the triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. And then this is a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Circle. Circle has no sides, no corners, that have only one center point and is a closed curve. Okay. This also a circle. This is a circle example for circle. Okay guys. Today we saw the shape square, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, circle, rhombus, parallelogram. I give some fill in the blanks and the name of the sides and diagonals. Okay, I give one example. Fill in them. All closed 4-side figures are called quadrilateral. A dash has 4 sides and equal diagonals. You write rectangle or square. You remember remaining question, you have to answer it and send me. Okay, and see the another Roman letters. Write the name of the sides and diagonals. I give this shape. You write the what are the sides and diagonals. First, what are the sides? AB, BC, CD and DA. I write it. Diagonals are AC and BD. AC and BD. You also write another shapes, diagonals and sides. You have to write both fill-ups and write the name of the sides and diagonals. You have to send the answer. Okay. Thank you.